All right, focusing now on your forecast. Today is a first alert weather day as rounds of rain could impact areas really already waterlogged by last week's storm.
KDKA meteorologist Ron Smiley joining us. So Ron, what do people and families need to know over these next 24 hours? Because there's a lot happening here.
Yeah, there certainly is. In fact, over the next week, we actually have 3 first alert weather days that have been issued. One for today because of the heavy rain that we're expecting. And then winter weather, both on Thursday and Friday, is leading to that first alert weather days that we've issued here, the team of meteorologists here at KDKA. Let's talk about what's going on right now. You can see the first round of rain, maybe even a rumble or two. It's going to come through, starting to really weaken though. This first round that we're looking at, it's just off to the west right now. Should be the timing of this, it looks like between about 7 and 9 o'clock, the heaviest of that rain. Obviously, we have a secondary round behind this that gets here this afternoon. Should be right at noon. The rain will pick up again, and it'll go through around 3 or 4 o'clock. By the time it's all said and done, we're looking at about 3/4 of an inch to a full inch of rain coming in. And again, some flooding will be possible, expected because of this. Because of the flooding concern, we do have what they call a flood watch, and you'll notice the word aerial in the middle of that. That just means it's countywide instead of specific places that we're watching for flooding right now. So it's a broader type of a watch or an advisory that's issued when you have those flood watches that has aerial in the middle of it. Rain showers will start to pick up. Now, I really think that we won't see any heavy rain until about 6, 7 o'clock this morning. This model shows it at 5 o'clock already here. Rain will pick up. Here it is at 7 o'clock through 8 or 9 o'clock. Obviously, this means as the kids are maybe heading out to the bus stop, as you're heading off to work, some of the heaviest of the rain is going to be there. One of the things you can do, if you have the option, maybe head into work a little bit earlier than you normally would to miss out on that heaviest of the rain. Rain will once again be around as we're heading into the afternoon hours, a couple of hours there, probably wrapping up around 4 or 5 o'clock. After that, we're going to stay warm this evening, and we'll see just spotty showers. So we'll actually have a decent evening time if you're heading out. Probably still want to grab the jacket, but a lot of dry time after about 4 or 5 o'clock. That means that your evening commute also should be looking at just a little bit of rain, not the heavy stuff we'll see this morning. And we will see a line of showers coming through first thing on Wednesday. That's our best chance for rain on Wednesday. That's as a cold front comes through. Temperatures will be dropping behind that for the rest of the day. Hey, let's quickly talk about your forecast. It's 49 right now. Temperatures generally holding steady right at 50 degrees, and we're expecting a high temperature today of 57 degrees. Rain showers through the day, and we start to see those temperatures dropping in the overnight hours. Hey, I do want to point out Thursday and Friday, we also have first alert weather days, both days. Mostly rain, some freezing rain will be around on Thursday, snow showers expected on Friday. And again, our rain totals are looking high enough that we could also see some flooding concerns both on Thursday and Friday. Cooler over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, with the coolest day over the next 7 days. Come again, the last day of the month, next Monday.